Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to a shade comparison video. Today I'm doing shade comparison of Maybelline Superstay foundation and I've got 3 shades and 3 of these shades are for medium skin tone. Here I have the foundations and I have 3 shades. The first one is 220 natural beige, the other one is 312 gold and the last one is 310 sun beige. So the deal is कि Maybelline Superstay में 6 shades ही available हैं इंडिया में, at least as far as I know, and in 6 shades में से ये 3 shades ही हैं which are meant for medium skin tones और इनका undertone एकदम अलग अलग है. And in today's video I will be applying these shades on my face so I can show you how the shade look on my skin. Now I am a Maybelline Fit Me 228 soft tan. That is my truest match in Maybelline Fit Me. So एक काम करते हैं, as we do in all my videos, मैं आपको पहले इसको swatch करके दिखा देती हूँ तीनों shades को one by one so that you can see and compare the shades and then come back and I'll tell you what I feel about the foundation.
Starting the swatch for Maybelline Superstay foundations, the first shade that I'm taking is 312 Golden. It has a warm undertone. Quickly applying it on half of my face and blending it. You can clearly see the yellow undertone in this shade and I have a neutral undertone, तो मेरे face से काफ़ी contrast में लग रहा है ये shade and it definitely looks yellow on my skin, but thankfully it is not turning grey on my skin because Maybelline Superstay foundation oxidizes a lot and the shades do tend to turn grey on my skin, but this shade in particular, this has not turned grey. It's like yellow on my skin. Abhi I have switched off my ring light. You can clearly see the difference. Even without the ring light, I think the shade is pretty exaggerated on my skin. It looks a bit yellow. The next shade I'm picking is 220 Natural Beige and you can compare it with the shade Golden right here on my hand. There's a clear difference in the undertone. Natural Beige cool, I think undertone की तरफ जा रहा है. It has a cooler undertone or a neutral or a cooler undertone, I would say. And after blending it and waiting it for some time, I have let it oxidize on my skin and it's clearly grey on my skin, which is always the case with Natural Beige. Maybelline Superstay की foundation की shades, they turn really grey on my skin. I don't know why, and this shade is like clearly looking grey. Again, switching off the ring light, you can clearly see the difference in the shade. Like on the right part of my face, it looks like as if I've applied some dull shade and it has like light is off or something. The third shade is Sun Beige and it has again a neutral undertone, I would say. It definitely doesn't exude warmth in it. There is no yellow in it, तो थोड़ा सा ये neutral pinkish की तरफ जा रहा है. And after waiting it for the foundation to oxidize, ये मेरे face पे थोड़ा सा grey लग रहा है. Left side पे foundation है and of course you can see the difference. ये foundation oxidize होने के बाद भी मेरे face पे grey ही लगती है. The shade is not my shade, of course, and really like both the Natural Beige and Sun Beige, I feel दोनों ही मेरे face पे grey हो जाते हैं और अच्छे नहीं लगते हैं मेरे face पे. Golden is the only shade by अभी तक so far 6 shades में से जो कि मेरे face पे grey नहीं turn हुआ है. Again यहाँ पे ring light off है and you can make out the difference.
So now that you have seen the swatches for these 3 shades, I hope you got a little bit of idea. I could not find my shade, but I hope if you are a little bit different from my skin and if you found your true match in this foundation, then congratulations, you have found your true match in one of the best foundation formulas that are out there. Also, I have an announcement to make in this video which I'm sure you must be waiting for. I am planning to give away the sample size foundations क्योंकि मेरे पास इतनी सारी foundations और foundation shades हो गए हैं because I do foundation swatch comparisons, foundation shade comparisons and foundation reviews on my channel. So I'm planning to start giving away samples of different shades to you guys so that you can also try different shades and decide the best for your skin. I have got these 5 ml containers. I got these from Amazon and I think I will be pouring the foundations in these small containers so that I can give them to you. Now this is going to be something which will stay on my channel and I've got a lot of containers so that I can continue this thing where I give you the sample, like the shade samples of the foundations which I try. आज की वीडियो में I will be giving you these 3 shades. I have Maybelline Superstay in Sun Beige, Natural Beige and Golden. So I will be giving you sample sized foundation shades. इसी में से pour करके I will be transferring it and I will be giving it to you. मेरे पास बहुत सारी foundations और भी हैं अभी, and I will would want to do this. And don't worry, all my foundations are clean. I usually when I am swatching a foundation, so I take a little bit on my hand and then I use my foundation brush or beauty blender या जैसे भी मैं blend करती हूँ, I do it from my hand. I don't touch the tip of the foundation का जो होता है pump. I don't do it, and all my foundations are clean, hygienic. I don't touch them. They are all new. कोई भी expired कुछ नहीं होता है, because I keep updating all my foundations because I have to continuously upload content on my YouTube channel and I have to keep up. So that's why because I am on my Instagram too, okay, and Instagram pe I have had requests where people would ask me, what do you do with so many foundations, give them to us. So I will do that. If you keep supporting my channel, then definitely I would want to give away full-sized foundations to you guys. Definitely I would want to do that, but I need to grow my channel. I need to put in the work first. I'm being very honest. So support my channel, and I mean, that is what I could ask. But for now, I'm giving away sample sized shades of the foundations. Like just be foundation का video आएगा channel पे, उस foundation का sample जो भी होगा, जितने भी shades होंगे वो सब जाएंगे. But obviously I have to select how many samples I can give. So there for each video there could only be one person who can get the shades, because I have them in limited quantity obviously. So I will be selecting one person. All you have to do to be that person is be subscribed to my YouTube channel, comment down on this video, like my video. I will mention the rules. It's a kind of a giveaway, you can say, so I will be mentioning the rules in the description box. You can check them out, follow the rules and stand a chance to get the samples of these 3 shades. Yeah. So that was all. I really look forward to you guys participating in it and just supporting my channel in every way you can. And thank you so much for watching this video. Give this video a big like. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, stay connected. Thank you so much for watching this video, and now I will see you in another foundation swatch and review video on my channel very soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.